point, we will now read the bids approved by the bidder for contract ID number 26RB0072. We have two bidders, the Gapara Construction Services and Genken Construction and Supply. For Gapara Construction and Services, Gapara is ineligible, expired projects registration. Okay. For the bid of Genken Construction and Supply, the bid is 4,200,000 pesos for 454 and 89 centavos. With security declaration, 120 calendar days past. Congratulations for the winning bidder, but please be reminded that we will proceed with the evaluation of bids according to the criteria set forth in bidding documents. Please note that the formal evaluation or technical and financial proposal will occur at a later date in accordance with the timelines stipulated in the procurement process. So that concludes our opening bids for contract ID number 26RB0072. Thank you for the bidders for your participation. Rest assured that all bids will undergo a thorough evaluation in accordance with the law. The BAC will notify the bidder of the results of the bid evaluation and subsequent stages of the procurement process. If you have any question or clarification, please feel free to approach the BAC Secretariat after this. So may I hear now the motion to adjourn and second motion.
Mr. Chair, I move that the opening of bids for civil works with contract ID 26RB0072 be adjourned. I second such motion.